price stays above that line, then it's gonna be good news. All right. If it stays above this line here, it's gonna be good news for altcoins. But I still think that this liquidity here, they're gonna come grab it, and price is gonna stay um above yesterday's daily open. Yeah, this line here. So that's where I'm gonna be looking at that buy opportunity at 88,500. I've already placed an order there at 88,500 to buy Bitcoin with a tight stop loss. Right. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for today's trade. That's what I wanna be trading, or that these are the zones I'm gonna be trading, or levels I'm gonna be trading. You can do the same thing for altcoins. You can go now to those altcoins that we talk about today. Look at let's look at them quickly. Let's see what um Mock is doing. You can see the same thing. Price was moving sideways. It break this level, as I mentioned. Mock is gonna come back to the okay. You can see my liquidity um um indicator is actually doing well. That's marked this zone based on the value area low. So price might easily come to this area here, this zone here. For more coin, let's look at the same thing with Shiba. Let's see where we have liquidity. It's loading. Okay. In this case, Shiba Inu is giving us more liquidity above price, yeah, which makes sense because this is a value area low, right? So this is a POC. In that case, we need to see price hold this area and then take us back. Or even if price is not going to hold this area, we're going to see something like this quick buy back to the upside towards this liquidity zone. And if you start seeing price gravitating around this liquidity zone, then what mean buy short term to target the high that I mentioned earlier. We go back, then you're gonna see that this is gonna be the zone you target. If so you're buying here, then the take profit zone is gonna be around this area here. Let's see for CSP Aro Casper. Yeah, you can see this is the main liquidity zone. So if say we see something like some sort of dump here, we want to see price reclaim back this zone around this area. This is the area where you start looking for that buy opportunity. Then you take the right to grab the whole of this liquidity up there. You see, it's gonna be a perfect trade for you if you know this whole liquidity up there. Boom, to the upside, right? And this could be a perfect W, right up there. I don't know, but you understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I mean, guys, there's no perfect entry. The best entry is when you. Uh, my eyes is my eyes is really. Um, mm. Oh, guys, I'm struggling. I'm doing this for you guys. Struggling. I have to do this for those of you who always join me in real life. If you have any coin that you want me to look at right now, just mention the coin. I'm gonna take a look at it right now. If not, then I'm gonna call this a go. In 10 minutes time, I'm gonna start trading. In 10 minutes from now, I'm gonna start trading.